Hello, I will give a presentation about waterfall model and iterative and incremental models. The first part is an introduction to them. The waterfall model is a traditional linear software development method characterized by the following stages. Requirement analysis. Firstly, clarify user requirements and the system specifications. System design. Design the overall architecture and the structure of the software system. Coding or implementation. Write code and implement system functions. Testing. Testing and verifying the system to ensure its quality. Acceptance. The customer inspects the system and confirm that the requirements are met. Deployment. Deploy the system to the production environment. Maintenance. Continue to provide support and maintenance. The main feature of the waterfall model is that each stage is executed in sequence, and the next stage can only be entered after the previous stage is completed. This method is suitable for situations where project requirements are relatively stable and have little change, but the problem may be difficult to solve in the large stage of the project. The IDD model is an iterative and incremental software development method characterized by the following key points. Iteration. The project is divided into multiple iteration cycles, each of which includes stages such as requirements analysis, design, coding, testing, and acceptance. Incremental. Each iteration cycle will add new features or improve existing ones. Feedback. After each iteration, the team will collect user feedback and lesson learned to guide improvement in the next round of iterations. The main advantage of the IDD model is that it can respond more flexibly to change in requirements, adjust in a timely manner for each iteration cycle, and also allow users to provide feedback at different stages of the project. This makes the IDD model particularly suitable for projects with unclear or frequently changed requirements, enable faster delivery of partial functionality. In the real world, I come up with two examples. The first one is construction engineering. In the field of construction engineering, project requirements are relatively stable and the cost of iteration is very high. Therefore, the waterfall model is more applicable as it allows for detailed planning and strict quality control to ensure that the project is completed as planned. The IDD model must result in unnecessary cost and delays. The second, game development. In the field of game development, players' needs are constantly changing. Therefore, the IDD model is usually more suitable as it can quickly launch prototype, obtain user feedback, and perform frequent update. The waterfall model may lead to the loss of market opportunities in this situation. This section is my opinion on the advantage of the two models. The left one is about waterfall model, clear project planning and documentation, quality control, suitable for stable demand. For example, when developing a mesh desktop application, user requirements typically don't change frequently and have high requirements for quality and reliability. In this case, the waterfall model can provide clear plans, clear requirements, and high-quality product delivery. And in IDD model, the advantages are flexibility and faster response, user engagement, early delivery value. For example, for a startup developing a mobile application, this market competition is fierce for user needs are constantly changing. Using the IDD model, teams can quickly build prototypes and obtain user feedback, thereby improvement product market adaptability and reducing development risks. The final part, how to determine the appropriate message to user various situations. I think the following 6 factors are very important. They are understanding project requirements and characteristics, project time and resource constraints, project risks, user engagement and feedback, cost and budget, project objectives. Overall, choosing the appropriate development method should be a decision based on comprehensive considerations rather than fixed rules. Different methods may be required depending on the different stage of the project. A regular review and adjustment of project management are crucial for ensuring project success. And here is reference list. Thank you for watching.